Hi, this is NoCoMind team where we can create dynamic and customizable AI agents without writing any single piece of code. Here we have covered MCP server, custom Gradio component and agentic chatbot. So three tracks we have covered so far in this demo. You can now I'll give you a small overview of the technologies we have used in this project. So here two kind of data are there. One is structured data, another is unstructured data. So unstructured data is in the form of PDFs and structured data is in the form of SQL database. Here for sample case we used SQL of Flipkart database and policies and terms and conditions of Flipkart sample PDFs for demonstration purpose. So core technologies here we use so far are one is RAG, SQL database, agent, AI agents, tools, and Gradio MCP tools, dynamic and customizable tools we have created, and Python code interpreter where it can create a Python code and it will run itself in the tool. And for visualization, we have created visualization MCP tool where it takes the Python script from the Python tool and pass it to the visualization tool. Then visualization tool will execute and process the image. That process would be sent to the interface where the chart would be there. So here you can do all the things with single chatbot. You can ask as many as questions related to your knowledge base and the SQL database. And here what happened is SQL database is connected. So you can connect any of your SQL database for now. Now let's start the demo. So first there is a section knowledge base. So here we can add KB. So where we can add our unstructured data storages like PDFs. So I'm clicking on the drop file here. Now I have uploaded two PDFs. One is written policy and conditions. So these are related to Flipkart, the sample data, and I gave name as Flipkart DB and I clicked on save and close. Now that is added. Next thing is tools. So I'm clicking on tools where we can see all the integrated tools. So here we are using Gradio MCP tools. So where I have integrated all the tools you can see, and there is a database, the Flipkart structured database sample one I have added. Now we will add agent here. So previously we integrated all the tools using Gradio MCP tools. Now I'm adding agent name here, that is AI agent, then the description. So here you can add any description and the instructions here for your customizable agent. So I'm adding here provide responses from the knowledge base and the SQL database that I have provided to agent. That, by the way, that is a Flipkart sample SQL database. On SQL database. Let's add instructions here. Now I'm adding responses should be concise and professional manner. So these are kind of examples. You can add your own instruction prompt here. So you don't need to do any such kind of Python, JavaScript or any kind of coding or writing. Now you can see below tools. So I have configured KB configuration and save agent and then close. See, there is selected already AA agent. Now let's start charting. So first I am typing hi. So now let's discuss till the time it gets the response. We will discuss on what I have done. So there we have structured database, that is Flipkart sample database, and unstructured database, that is policies and terms and conditions of the Flipkart sample PDF. So this product not only for getting the responses from the RAG system or PDFs, but also it will provide you the images. So it gave a response as hello, how can I assist you today? So now I am going to ask another query. So what are the policies available in the company? So we will check now. So we have uploaded already PDFs of Flipkart company, right? So okay, so it will provide you the response from the uploaded PDFs that what are the policies. Those are actually available in the company. The company means Flipkart. So you can see return policy, order cancellation, refund policy, and terms of use. So these are the policies available. So now I am going to ask another question. Can I know about cancellation process? So now let's see, like does it know the cancellation process or not? So here we got the response, the order placed by platform. So you can go through this response actually. So they have already provided the cancellation process. Now I am asking, in how many days can I get the refund once I return the order? So in Flipkart, so I ordered something. So in how many days can I get the refund once I return the order? So this is my question. Now I am going to ask. You can see all the chart by scrolling here. How many days can I get the refund once I return the order? You can write here Flipkart or anything, because in the knowledge base we have already provided Flipkart, so of course we will get the responses from the same company of Flipkart that we have provided the data. Let's see what it says. So we got response that the refund will be processed within 5 to 7 business days after the refund product has been received by the seller. Okay, this is correct only as per the document that I have provided here. Now let's ask, what is the highest rated phone across all brands? So here I told you, right, we have added structured database of sample Flipkart. So I want to get the responses from the structured database now. So let's see. So the query is, what is the highest rated phone across all brands? So the highest phone across all brands is the HTC U11 Plus with a rating of 4.7. Yeah, it is correct only. Next, so which storage is most frequently offered? So in the database, if you go through it, it will show you the storage systems there as per the mobile configuration. We'll see what it responds. So here the most frequently offered storage is 64 GB. So it has gone through the SQL database of Flipkart and got the response back. Now let's enter into visualization questions. So where we can ask queries like, create a graph on all mobile brands average ratings. So these are already present of Flipkart database. Then I asked, then I got the response like this. You can see the visualization. This is totally done by the MCP tools that I have customized already. Now we'll enter into next query. Generate a pie chart for the distribution of mobile brand colors. So now I want it to generate a pie chart for the distribution of mobile brand based on the colors. So in the SQL database we can see the columns like brands, colors, and everything. So when it goes to what's happening in the backend of this process, so we have already MCP tools, right? So here we can see the logs, the flow. This is happening in the backend. This is not text to image generation process directly. So it will create a Python code and then it will run the Python code on the data that extracted from the SQL database and creates a pie chart like this. You can see how beautiful it is based on the colors of the mobile brands. And there is also one more feature, deploy an agent. So Basically, this deployment is once you created your own agent, you can deploy directly into any of the services. Currently, I provided for demonstration purpose, that is GCP, AWS, Azure, Gradio Cloud. So I clicked on Gradio Cloud and confirmed. Then I got the link above deployment status successfully deployed. Thank you.